Hey everyone, it's Tuesday the 23rd of May and oh my word, have we got some amazing news stories to cover today. Now before we get into today's video, be sure to hit that like button, drop me a comment and please subscribe. I'm trying to grow this channel as fast as I can. Now I hope everybody had a tremendous crypto Bitcoin peak today, which is just amazing. But you know what, let's get into the tough stuff. Let's have a look at how the charts are going. At the time of me making this video, all of these numbers are factually correct as per BitGet, so let's go through them. Bitcoin is currently at $27,214. In the last 24 hours, there's an increase of 0.77%. Ethereum is at $1,844. Now that is up 1.16% in the last 24 hours. Let's have a look at BNB. BNB is at $313. In the last 24 hours, that is up 0.83%. An XRP army, ooh, you are crying today because that is at 45 cents, down 0.75%. And finally, of course, we always cover it, BGB token is at 47 cents and it's up 0.5%. But how are the BRC 20 tokens performing? You're probably going to get sick of me saying this, but I am trying to keep an eye on them to see what the hell is going on and where are people trading. BIP1 is down 4%, Ordinals down 4.8%, NAL's down 34%, VMPX is down 14%, Pepe, I'm going to say break even, Meme is down 5%, and Pisa is down 32.5%. I mean, what a mixed bag. What a mixed bag. I mean, with the Bitcoin little pump in the chart we saw today, I expected this to be very different, but it's not. It's absolutely not. So we're going to have to keep a close eye on it. But let's have a look at what's going on here. If let's look at the ranges on Bitcoin, the top of that range is $27,600, and the bottom of the range that we highlighted is $24,760. But as you can see in this time here, this morning here in the Dubai, we saw a huge pump in the price. But I'm sad to report we came nowhere near that upper level. So I anticipate us to dip back down and see where it goes. Depressing. Anyway, let's continue looking at Ethereum. Ethereum, it actually followed the exact same path as Bitcoin. Reminder on the ranges we are monitoring, $1,956, and the lower part of that range is $1,729. You can see that we saw that increase dramatically that broke through the last few days' pricing structure. Actually, we haven't seen this price since the 11th of May, but we're breaking back down. So let's see how the next few hours go. Of course, we've not tested that upper, but are we just producing like a slight spike down to then kick on? Let's see what happens. Let's have a look at crypto bubbles. Yesterday was hell negative, but let's see what's going on. Carver is up 12.1%. IMX is up 5.4%. TON is up 5.5%. HT is up 4.7%. Let's have a look at some of the losers. Hex is down 4.9%. Frax is down 0.6%. Mana down 0.8%. Dogecoin down 0.8%. Please token down 6.3%. PLSX is down 8.3%. So as you can tell, mixed bag, but slightly better market consensus on this Tuesday. Let's have a look at what is going on the crypto exchanges. Now, there's a lot of rumors around Hotbit and Huobi. Hopefully I'm saying that correctly, you know. I need to improve on my Asian and my Chinese languages. Anyway, let's have a look at it. Now, the Securities Commission of SC of Malaysia has ordered Huobi Global Limited Cryptocurrency Exchange to cease operations in its country, saying it's been operating illegally without operation. Very sus. Are they under pressure? Who knows? But this is a significant mark forward, in my opinion. You know, clearly they're getting ordered out of a country, marked out of a country. And it's pretty weird, the timing around Hotbit. So I'm monitoring this one very closely. I don't want to share any FUD, but let's see how it goes. Now, what is Bitcoin peak today? Yesterday we celebrated it, and I really wanted to touch on what it is and what it means to me. It's not just about pizza, even though a lot of people get carried away with the pizza concept. For me, it's about the first time cryptocurrency was used in the real world to purchase something that actually mattered. And that was actually pizza. So this is why people get carried away with the pizza concept. For me, it was a clear indication that blockchain technology is here to stay, and it can affect our day-to-day lives. And we should be celebrating that it was the first time that it was ever used to purchase a real-world item, rather than the fact that somebody got scammed potentially over pizza and they paid millions of dollars. I mean, who was to know what was to come in the future? It's a great story, of course, one to tell the grandchildren, but let's not lose sight of it. Now, Bitcoin experienced yesterday a huge crash after fake images of an explosion near the Pentagon went viral. Now, the image showed massive clouds of smoke near the Pentagon, and authorities confirmed the image was fake after minutes of it being online. But Bitcoin had a flash crash, and it slipped to 26,500 when the video went viral. This just shows the power of nonsense. Now, Ed Krasen tweeted this early today. An apparent AI-generated photo was used to fake an explosion of the US Pentagon, and the news was shared by Russian state media on TV and Twitter, which helped it to go viral. This is absolutely crazy. This was tweeted by a verified account called Bloomberg Fed, which has actually now been, actually suspended. But this just shows the manipulation of the media and how we have to be very careful of the outlets of which we trust and where that reliability is coming from the information that is shared. Let's move on to this. Bitcoin's fate is tied to the US Treasury cash shortfall. Now, this is an interesting story. Now, according to the US Treasury, they could be stuck for cash as soon as early June. Now, negotiations for raising the debt limit are ongoing, but the progress is uncertain. Analysts predict the potential future for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies to just see what's going on. And for me, I've got to say, I actually think that this is incredibly bullish for crypto and Bitcoin. So I'm going to be monitoring this very closely. The language that they are using is very aggressive. Let me just get one thing right. The language, let me just give you one quick recap. The US Treasury Secretary warns of a potential cash shortage in June. What is going on? We're going to have to start looking at some alternative currency. Bitcoin. Oh, getting excited. Now, I just want to show you what I did to celebrate Bitcoin Pete today. Yesterday, we had the world famous Bitcoin father attend the office in BitGet. He did a fantastic speech. We had some amazing pizzas, and actually I filmed a podcast with him and Maria, who's a great friend of mine, so big shout out to Maria, and it was awesome. And it's a bit of share of personal news here. I got myself a new car yesterday, so I'm tremendously happy with that. Now, I hope you've had a fantastic Tuesday so far. You enjoy this video, and the real question is, what is this US dollar shortage going to mean for the crypto space? Let's see. Now, if you did enjoy today's video, be sure to hit that like button, do subscribe, but most importantly, let's go.